the ocean's fury? What separates a billion-dollar giant from absolute disaster? It is not just engines. It is a silent backbone hidden deep beneath the surface. The sea is a relentless force, testing every weld and every bolt of the vessels that dare to cross its path during the most violent storms on Earth. Look closely at the hawse pipe. That vibrating steel chain is holding back the weight of a mountain. Welcome to the world of lifeline engineering. This is the story of how we forge the spine of giants, ensuring they remain anchored even in the face of chaos. It is a symphony of raw strength and precision. Without these massive chains, the giants of the ocean would be nothing more than driftwood at the sea's mercy. To understand this strength, we must go back to the source. Our journey begins in the heart of a furnace, where steel is born from fire and pressure. Everything starts in this industrial inferno. This is a place where raw minerals are transformed into the toughest alloys known to modern maritime engineering and heavy industry. These solid steel billets, dozens of meters long, are the raw ingredients. They enter the furnace as cold gray metal, ready to be awakened by extreme thermal energy.
The carbon levels are stabilizing right here on the analysis.
Good. Maintain the temperature and recheck in 5 minutes.
At 1600 degrees Fahrenheit, the physical structure of the steel begins to change. The heat breaks down the rigid bonds, making the metal ready for its transformation. This is the point of no return. The steel glows with a radiant intensity, signaling that it has reached the perfect temperature for the shaping process to begin.
Is critical. This anchor link, still glowing, must cool precisely to achieve maximum strength. Forged in fire and stripped of all impurities, these massive chains are now ready to face the ocean's fury.
To protect it from the salt, the chain receives a final coat of specialized armor. This black paint is the first line of defense against the sea. Across the yard, mountains of steel wait for their turn to go to sea. Each one is a masterpiece of manufacturing, ready to serve for decades. Installation begins. These chains are the final piece of the puzzle for a new vessel, the literal lifeline that connects the ship to the earth itself. Deep inside the ship's belly, the chain is coiled and ready. It will wait there, silent and strong, until the moment it is called into action. As the sun sets, a new giant begins its journey across the globe. It carries the work of thousands of hours and the strength of the furnace. Next time you see a massive ship, remember the silent backbone holding it steady. It is a triumph of human skill over the raw power of nature. 2,400 tons of steel, 1,000 hours of craftsmanship, and an absolute faith in engineering. This is the epic poem of the anchor chain. Because in the middle of a storm, engineering is more than just math. It is the guarantee of life. It is the bond that never breaks.